Well, hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Dray. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and Black Friday, it is fast approaching. You know I am always on the hunt for a good bargain. I have my eyes peeled. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top dermatologist-recommended, dermatologist-approved skincare products to be on the hunt for this Black Friday. We're talking everything from professional-grade at-home devices to some of the best drugstore products that are sold at a variety of retailers, often heavily discounted this time of year. Before we get into it, I want to take a moment to thank today's video sponsor, Omnilux, my trusted and favorite LED light therapy brand. Omnilux devices are FDA cleared, clinically proven, and utilize the same technologies that they use in the devices that they make that are used in office. They are the #1 LED brand recommended by dermatologists. So Black Friday is honestly one of the best times to maybe stock up on some skincare favorites or get something like an at-home professional device that you have had your eye on. Also a great time to get gifts, stocking stuffers, daily essentials. First up, I want to walk you through my all-time favorite Omnilux devices. These are devices that not only do I recommend in different videos on my channel you'll find, but I personally use them. I've used them myself long before I was affiliated with the brand. I purchased the devices myself. I get asked all the time, why is it that you're always recommending Omnilux when there are so many competitors out there on the market as far as at-home LED devices? Many LED devices on the market, unfortunately, they're not well powered and they don't do their diligence as far as the safety testing, the efficacy testing that Omnilux does. Omnilux, on the other hand, is FDA cleared, clinically validated, the same quality technology that you will find in the devices used in office. The red and near infrared wavelengths of light utilized in their devices act as a battery charger, if you will, for skin cells, energizing repair and boosting collagen, along with calming down inflammation and just improving overall skin health. So let's start with my top pick, the one that I personally use the most, and that is Omnilux Contour Face. I've been using this the longest, and like I said, I originally purchased it myself many years ago before I was affiliated with the company. Without a doubt, this is their hero product and one of the most effective at-home LED masks on the market. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, calm down redness, soothe inflammation. It helps plump the skin for smoother skin and firmer skin, and it also helps with evening out overall skin tone. The wavelengths of light work not only to reduce inflammation, but they actually, through a process known as photobiomodulation, work to stimulate cells in the deeper layers of the skin to make collagen and elastin, giving your skin a firmer and more youthful look over time. It uses red and near infrared wavelengths of light, 633 and 830 nanometers. These wavelengths are clinically proven to rejuvenate skin cells at the cellular level. Right now, Omnilux's Black Friday sale is a great time to try this mask out and get one for a friend because they are offering stackable savings. You can save $75 off of one device or $175 off of 2 devices, or $275 off of 3 devices. The sale is not going to last forever. It runs from November 17th to December 3rd. Okay, but for those of you out there who deal with breakouts, the one that I recommend without a doubt is Omnilux Clear. Now, this one's a little unique in that, yes, it has the red wavelengths of light that calm down inflammation, which can be amazing for acne, but more specifically, it has blue light, which is the wavelength you really want in there to, well, tackle the acne-causing bacterium, Cutibacterium acnes. It actively works to reduce the burden of that bacteria, helping to clear up breakouts. While the red wavelengths of light help to calm down inflammation and help support better healing. Not only does this device aid in clearing up breakouts faster, but it helps to calm down redness, and in theory may even help to soften the appearance of acne scars over time. It's really an incredible tool for anyone managing acne breakouts at home. It's also FDA cleared and very safe for at-home use. This is another one that I bought myself several years ago, again, before partnering with Omnilux. It's the Omnilux Contour Neck and Décolleté. So the neck, you know, it doesn't lie. Some of the first visible signs of skin aging appear on the neck, as well as the upper chest, the décolleté, not only in those little fine lines or wrinkles, but also in age spots, uneven skin tone, patches of redness. The Omnilux Contour Neck and Décolleté is the first and only FDA cleared device for specifically targeting those little neck wrinkles, as well as sun damage. It helps with evening out overall skin tone and pigmentation, reducing redness, minimizing the appearance of sunspots, and with consistent use, it leaves the skin of the chest and the neck smoother and more radiant. It uses the same red and near-infrared wavelengths of light that the Omnilux Contour Face Mask does, 633 and 830 nanometers. So it works to rejuvenate and firm the skin beyond the face. Then we have Omnilux Contour Glove. Now, again, like the neck and upper chest, the backs of the hands, yeah, some of the first visible signs of skin aging pop up there, very exposed territory. And I have a video on my channel all about the best anti-aging strategies for the backs of your hands. So definitely check that video out if you missed it, but you'll recall I featured Omnilux Contour Glove in that video. Why? Well, it's really perfectly designed for targeting this problem area. It helps improve the appearance of sunspots, uneven pigmentation, wrinkles, and dryness, while also reducing inflammation. The Omnilux Contour Glove is a great way to restore healthier looking skin on the backs of your hands. All right, so to recap, the Omnilux Black Friday sale, it's going on November 17th through December 3rd with stackable savings. You can save $75 off of one device, $175 off of two, or $275 off of three devices. Everything I have recommended will be linked down below in the description box. So if you have had your eye on one of these devices, this is the time to get it. But let's move on to some of my favorite go-to dermatologist-approved skincare products that you hear me bring up in so many videos. These are really utilitarian workhorses as far as getting you results for specific issues. Let's break it down based on issue. First of all, affordable barrier repair. Now, you don't have to watch too many of my videos to know I am a huge fan of petroleum jelly, and a long-standing favorite petroleum jelly barrier healing superhero is the CeraVe Healing Ointment. Now, in contrast to plain petroleum jelly, which is also excellent for restoring the skin barrier, this packs a little bit of an extra punch in that it has ceramides, lipids naturally found in skin's outermost layer, along with hyaluronic acid, a humectant that helps improve water retention, plumping the skin. The healing ointment, it helps with healing, whether it be dry, irritated skin, an impaired skin barrier, or a cut, a scrape, chapped skin from harsh winter winds, chafing under the arms or between the thighs. It creates a physical barrier that limits access of irritants and allergens, but also helps put the brakes on transepidermal water loss, allowing for your skin to begin to heal, to retain moisture, and to allow for better barrier recovery, the production of those important factors in the brick and mortar that makes, well, the skin barrier. Bathing and facial cleansing is always kind of a challenging topic to navigate when you are in the midst of an impaired skin barrier, a flare-up of eczema, dry, irritated skin. Your skin has been challenged by harsh, cold climates. So it's all about choosing the right cleanser. It's all about how you wash the given area. You don't want to use scalding hot water. You don't want to stay in the shower too long. When you get out, you don't want to aggressively towel dry, and you don't want to be using a harsh bar soap of an alkaline pH to really get in there and mess up the enzymes necessary for proper barrier function. If you watch my video on skincare cult classics, the Dove Sensitive Skin fragrance-free beauty bar, so effective and affordable for cleansing the face and the body. You can always get this at an affordable price from whatever retailer you like to buy from, but Black Friday, you're almost guaranteed to find an even better deal. Why not stock up now? Bar soap, like Twinkies, has an impressive shelf life. Okay, but let's move to another category where the drugstore is really going to be your best friend as far as the options available, and that is in the realm of acne control. Now, we already touched on the benefits of red and blue light for acne, but don't forget the over-the-counter acne treatments such as Differin gel, adapalene 0.1%, a retinoid, FDA approved for the treatment of acne. Adapalene, not only in controlling the acne and preventing flare-ups, but also in reducing the likelihood of scarring and post-acne marks. And another acne-fighting superhero is going to be Panoxyl Acne Wash. Now, it comes in 10% strength and 4% strength. I suggest 4% because it's a little less irritating, but works just as well, although it can be a little slower to start yielding benefit depending on the thickness, and you may want to go with 10% if you're dealing with stubborn breakouts on the chest or on the back. But benzoyl peroxide in panoxyl, it helps to, like blue light, cut down on that acne-causing bacteria, Cutibacterium acnes. It's also comedolatic, so it helps get in there and break up clogged pores. And if you don't have acne, panoxyl can be a secret weapon against body odor because the benzoyl peroxide helps to cut down on bacteria under your arms and in your feet when you use it as an underarm and foot wash, cuts down on those bacteria that break down your sweat and lead to odor. Then in the realm of body care, it's a go-to. It comes up all the time. It's the AmLactin Daily 12%. This is one of my go-to recommendations for smooth, hydrated skin. If you have keratosis pilaris, rough and bumpy skin, have you tried AmLactin yet? Probably you have. It's great for that. It's also a really wonderful product if you are dealing with dry, rough elbows or knees that appear discolored. Then there's Cetaphil's new Skin Activator Hydrating and Firming Body Cream. I recently finished up a big tub of this. It was fantastic. It has mandelic acid, a gentle alpha hydroxy acid that hydrates and gently exfoliates. It's paired with Centella asiatica extract, and together these not only support smoother, more hydrated skin, but Centella is an ingredient that shows promise for improving the final appearance of stretch marks in those who are going to make them. This product is fragrance-free and you can use it on the face as well. Okay, spoiler alert, you actually have quite a bit of skin on your head. That's your scalp, right? It's not all hair up there, although the two, they talk to each other, and healthy scalp, healthy hair. So let's talk about a shampoo that flies under the radar, but you hear me recommend it a lot. It's the Neutrogena T-Sal. This has been around for a long time. Fingers crossed they never discontinue it. It is a salicylic acid, fragrance-free shampoo that is excellent for gently exfoliating the scalp, calming down scalp inflammation, reducing the formation of flakes, and helping to remove product buildup. So it's a great option if you have dandruff or if you use a lot of styling products and you've gotten some scalp buildup that is irritating and contributing to itch. Speaking of hair, let's talk about the all-time over-the-counter hair loss treatment that you can't ignore if you're talking about hair loss. It is going to be the 5% minoxidil foam. Marketed as Rogaine for men, but women can use 5% minoxidil, okay? Women can use 5% minoxidil and often will end up getting better results than they would from 2%, okay? Now, 5% minoxidil, it's something that if you have androgenetic alopecia, which is pattern hair loss, it is definitely a go-to established treatment for that. When you first start using it, you will experience, however, an increase in hair shedding. That is normal, that's to be expected because minoxidil works by putting more hair follicles into the growing phase, and it helps to get hair follicles that have miniaturized into the growing phase. So you have to give it some time, okay? But with consistent use, you can see improvement in regrowth, hair density, hair thickness. Unfortunately, it can be a bit irritating. As far as a hair loss treatment, it's a go-to. Do be aware, however, that if you have little pets, the residue, if it gets on your pillow and they lick it or they come in contact with like something you used in applying it to the scalp, it can be very harmful to them, especially to cats. Check out some of my other videos on Rogaine and hair loss treatments. I do a deep dive on topical versus oral minoxidil. I mean, we cover it all on this channel, okay? I probably have a video on whatever it is you are interested in. The last category I want to touch on is what I like to call advanced anti-aging. Now, of course, if we're caring about any skin issue whatsoever, we need to be focused on sun protection, and stay tuned because pretty soon I am going to have my all-time guide on the best sunscreens that are super cheap, which is kind of hard these days, okay? Things are getting expensive. That's coming, but for the purposes of other things that you can use aside from the most important, sun protection for your sort of anti-aging goals, we've got to bring up adapalene again. Yeah, Differin gel. It's a retinoid, FDA approved to treat acne, but there's quite a bit of data that adapalene can help to improve the visible signs of skin aging. It can actually help improve collagen production, and it can help to improve the appearance of sunspots. Definitely something to consider. It's one of those things that at baseline is relatively affordable, but this is a good time to get it on sale. Then this is new to me, but I know she has a big sale for Black Friday, and it's the Paula's Choice 7% Ectoin Booster. So Ectoin is an extremolite, it's an antioxidant, and it's a skin hydrator. It's sort of a trendy ingredient, but I have to admit I am finding it to be a great ingredient in moisturizing products, and it may may help in defending against oxidative stress that contributes to some of the visible signs of skin aging. This far and away was my all-time favorite Actoin product, but oh my goodness, was it ever painful to buy this because it is so expensive at baseline. It's one of the most expensive products that I have bought, used, and wanted to rebuy over and over again and keep recommending, but it's like, dang, that price point is rough. So look out for Paula's Choice sale. It's usually pretty good. Fingers crossed it will be this year, but that is one that I would definitely get because they only have it on the website, and that's one I would definitely get, or if you're interested in it, I would get it during the sale for sure. I'm going to be buying it. The other one I want to mention again is that AmLactin 12%. Remember what I said about improving epidermal and dermal thickness with continued use? So that's great for improving the appearance of wrinkles, for your anti-aging goals, sort of a different mechanism above and beyond what retinoid is also going to offer. And you can use the two in your routine. Retinoids are applied at night, and you can use the AmLactin during the day. It's great for the backs of the hands where you may have a lot of age-related thinning, fragility, discoloration. The two together, and if you can throw in a little red and near infrared in there, then you really have, well, the contents of my anti-aging hand care video. But yeah, look for these things during the Black Friday sales that are going to be going on, that are already active, live. Things are heavily discounted because the prices will go right back up once we get into, December and January. So those are my top dermatologist approved skincare recs to be on the lookout for this Black Friday. Let me know what retailers you're going to be shopping at. There's Amazon, there's Walmart, there's Ulta. There are a lot of places to get skincare these days. Drugstore, of course, which tends to be the highest price point. But let me know in the comments where you are buying your skincare these days. And again, check out the Omnilux devices. I know a lot of you have been on the fence, with the price point, but this is the best time to get them. The sale is running November 17th through December 3rd. I mean, what a great way to save. Yeah, big thank you to Omnilux for sponsoring today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.